emphasizes the Holy Spirit role, which symbol can be used to illustrate this point. A. Fire to signify purification. B. Oil to represent consecration. C. Dove to symbolize peace and purity. D. Water to represent the Spirit's action in new birth. Hindi ito yung pinaka-maso.
Level.
Back in the celebration of sacrament of confirmation, where the priest emphasizes the Holy Spirit's role, which symbol could be used to illustrate this point? A. Fire to signify purification. B. Oil to represent consecration. C. Dove to symbolize peace and purity. D. Water to represent the Spirit's action in new birth.
Number 13 ako nito.
13. If someone claimed that the Holy Spirit was just a symbolic force, how would you explain its divine nature? If someone claimed that the Holy Spirit was just a symbolic force, how would you explain its divine nature? A. By emphasizing that the Holy Spirit was created by Jesus. D. By describing the Holy Spirit as an extension of human will. C. By showing that the Spirit performs actions only attributed to God, such as sanctifying the church. D. By claiming that the Holy Spirit is the symbolic representation of this as what the symbol of God depicts.
Ano pa yung kababa?
Wala.
Letter C. Di ba number na?
14.
Ha?
14 na.
14 nga.
Ah, may sagot ng 14 daw.
14. A prisoner states that the Holy Spirit's mission ended with Pentecost. How would you correct this view? A. The Holy Spirit now acts only in the lives of saints. B. The Holy Spirit's mission ended but left guidelines for the church. C. The Holy Spirit's mission is primarily complete in the Old Testament. D. The Holy Spirit's mission continues through the church, empowering it to spread the gospel. 15. Why is Pentecost considered the birthday of the church? A. It marks the creation of new rituals. B. It commemorates the final act of Jesus' ministry. C. It celebrates the establishment of religious.
LDML.
Number D. It signifies the full empowerment of the apostles by the Holy Spirit.
Hindi mo okay na.
Jay, lipat ka daw.
Doon sa dulo.
Hindi nyo na.
Diba?
Ano ba? Subit-subit ka, subit-subit. Lipat daw, babe.
Hindi, di ba tayo tama?
Dito na, okay na. Hindi na ako tatawa.
Number na.
16.
16. How does the concept of inspiration affirm the Bible's divine authorship? How does the concept of inspiration affirm the Bible's divine and authorship? A. The Bible is inspired only by its moral teachings. B. The Holy Spirit dictated the text to human authors. C. The Church revised the Bible over time to reflect divine truths. D. God guided human authors to write His message using their abilities faithfully. MJ, di ka?
Lipat ko na, babe. Tapos tayo.
Okay na, hindi na kayo may promise. Last na.
Yung isa nung sis na, 16 na, di ba? Yung binasa mo?
Number 16 yung pinano, number 7 yung babasa.
Papasa pa lang papel.
Tsaka niyan nila.
Kung saan matapos? Pero up to ano yan? 170. 70?
Ano ba ang secret niya?
No! Ang aga nyo naman sa mula. Go na.
Number 7, a friend claims the Bible contains errors because it mentions sinful acts. How do you explain this? A friend claims the Bible contains errors because it mentions sinful acts. How do you explain this? Ang kaibigan mo daw is ine-claim na ang Bible daw ay may error dahil daw sa mga kasalanan na nakapaloob sa Bible. Paano mo daw i-explain yun? A. The Bible avoids addressing sin directly. B. The Bible condones human imperfections to teach morality. C. The Bible includes sinful acts to highlight God's grace and justice. D. The Bible reflects mutual norms of His time without divine intervention. Bigyan ko lang sa
Laban na.
Okay, wait.